Hi there! Are you tired of grinding endless hours just to unlock that one stubborn Steam achievement? Well, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock any Steam achievement. Quick, safe, and free. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your browser and paste the link from the description below. It'll take you straight to the GitHub page. Once you're there, download the zip file. It's small and completely safe. After the download completes, open your Downloads folder. Create a new folder on your desktop and move the downloaded zip file into it. Now open that folder and extract the zip file you just moved. Inside the extracted files, open sam.picker.exe. The tool will automatically detect your Steam games. No login needed. Yep, you heard that right. No account login required, and absolutely no risk of getting banned. And the good thing is, it even works in multiplayer games, so you're totally safe. Next, double-click on the game icon for the one you want achievements in. Once all the achievements are loaded, just tick the ones you want to unlock. When you're ready, click Commit Changes. Ta-da! You just unlocked those achievements without any hardcore grind. It's simple, quick, and works every single time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to Rose Bytes for more tutorials that actually work. See you in the next one. Bye!